Hello everyone. In this video, I will walk you through a project focused on UI automation testing in Flutter, especially implementing end-to-end testing. The goal of this project is to ensure that our Flutter application deliver a consistent, reliable, and high-quality user experience across various devices and screen size. Cover the static framework, test execution, and the CI/CD pipeline that automate the testing process. So let's move on to the section one overview of testing in Flutter. Here is our project. First, let's discuss the types of testing we implement in Flutter. Flutter supports three main testing level: unit testing, widget testing, and iteration testing. For this project, we focus on widget testing to verify individual UI component and integration test to simulate complete user workflows. Together, these ensure each component works correctly and does the application function as the cohesive whole. Let's move on to the widget settings. Widget settings is a foundation layer of our testing framework. It allows us to verify functionality and behavior of individual UI component in isolation. Here, an example of widget test that check whether we can add the new task to our task manager application. This test simulates user interactions, such as tapping the add button and entering the start name. The test then confirms that the start appear in the list by setting component individually. We catch issue early, ensuring its space function as expected. Let's move on to section 3, interaction testing. Here, this is a interaction testing, which goes beyond individual component to simulate complete user workflow. The example iteration discover a typical user journey, adding a task, marking it as complete, and deleting it. This test simulate actual user interaction, verifying that they are behave correctly across screen and that data flows smoothly from one step to the next. Interaction testing gives us confidence that the entire app function as expected from a user perspective. Here is the iteration testing. So, how we can run the test locally? So let's move on to section 4, running the test locally. To run the test locally, we just need a command for the test. We can execute all the widgets tests in one go. Here, we can see that here we twice it for the test. The test will start on the test from the widget test. Here, we can see that the test was successfully confirmed that whole component and workflow are working is independent. The quiz feedback. Okay. Let's move on to section 5, the cross-device testing. To testing interaction in cross-device, we just need to run test, iteration test. We will just define in the iteration test folder here. Okay, run that. And we have to choose a device. In this device, in the device showing the demo, just have two device, window application and browser edge. So we chose one. Wait a minute. So, so you can see it. You can see it. The test will appear automatically to make sure all stat will be done without a error. So, Flutter made it easy to simulate different screen size using the emulator. In the real world, we can use Firebase test lab to test actual device, cross-device testing in Crusoe for maintaining a uniform experience regarding the screen size or resolution. So let's move on to section 6, setting up CI/CD for automated testing. To streamline our testing and ensure consistency, we implemented a CI/CD pipeline using GitHub Action. This pipeline automates the entire testing process by running redefined step every time we make a commit or open a pull request. Let's go over the step in detail, and then we will look at how it's operated in the action tabs here on the GitHub. In our workflow file located in here, we define a job called as Flutter CI and build and test now. The job triggered whenever this push to the main branch or pull request targeting the main branch. The pipeline configuration is broken down into several steps. It's serving a specific purpose. Step 1 here. The first step is checkout repository using action checkout with version 2. Action to pull latest code from the repository. This ensures that the pipeline is running tests on more recent code changes. Setting up Flutter. In the next step, we use Flutter Action we use Flutter Action version 2 to install this Flutter SDK. Here, we specify the exact Flutter version to ensure consistency across different builds. Using fixed version have avoid unexpected issues from version differences, which is crucial for maintaining reliable test results. And we just installing the dependency by Flutter Bucket running state. Now switch to GitHub Action. Here, these actions here in the action tab, we can see a list of all recent CI/CD run. Yeah, it is some file of my test. This run correspond to commits or pull requests, and they provide a detailed log in this step in the pipeline. Let's look at successful run in the detail here. When a workflow run, this log is action test by test following. Okay, add on. Implement UI automation testing in Flutter bring many benefits. First, which is testing increase component reliable, while integration testing is where workflow functions smoothly. Cross-device testing guarantees a consistent UI experience across devices. And CI/CD automation enhances development efficiency by catching issues early. This approach saves time, reduces manual testing, and provide reliable, high quality products for user. So this is the end. Thank you for watching this demonstration of UI automation testing in Flutter. This approach to testing not only im- improve the application qualities, but also make the development process more efficient. I hope this presentation provides a clear overview of how UI automation testing can be implemented effectively in Flutter projects. Feel free to reach out if you have any question or would like more information. Thank you.